The genetic architects, Enki's role in human evolution ancient Sumerian tablets uncovered, clearly describe DNA manipulation using CRISPR editing-like tools. In fact, we are only just seemingly rediscovering these tools, and Enki used these editing tools to put limitations on us editing our DNA. Tablets clearly show figures 4 base symbols used to encode allowing 16 possible combinations in double pairs 64 amino acids, allowing 128 states the selection of 46 chromosomes organized into 23 pairs. Where did this knowledge come from? Is mystery. Enki altered the original 4th 8 to 46. Enki adjusted and removed them, altering chromosome 2. The tablet state joining 2 chromosomes together. This makes it chromosomian extra long and causes a telomere to appear in the middle instead of the end where they're meant to be. The purpose was to block and disconnect 4 human senses, which the byproduct was junk DNA. This information has been discovered on clay tablets buried thousands of years ago, clearly showing their advanced knowledge of the power DNA manipulation, CRISPR, editing. It seems that Mesopotamians in those days may well have been at the actual Garden of Eden, where human prototypes were made. The mythological stories may not have just been tales, but represent historical intervention and a sophisticated understanding of genetic engineering applied. The goal seemed to be to produce a population of obedient working people capable of carrying out difficult and intelligent tasks. The Anunnaki needed help with their daily chores and their quest for mineral resources, possibly gold. Through the knowledge of Enki and his genetic engineering techniques, we can produce a massive workforce. You have to appreciate how ancient civilization may have manipulated life. Being the master of genetics, used this knowledge to enhance the human capabilities so they think for themselves while at the same time controlling their interest in looking beyond their brief given to them, and happy and content to live simple lives. In conclusion, one has to take these Sumerian tablets very seriously, since it cannot be fanciful chance that details figures techniques clearly stated and evidence in our own DNA of our number 2 chromosome fused together, making it extra long, and with the telltale telomeres found in the middle when they should only be at the end. These things are all described in tablets. With the advent of artificial intelligence, it has been possible to gather together tablets that were strewn all over the world and translate all the information and put it together, so we can now come to a conclusion that what was once mythological may well be an actual fact of history, and that we are only rediscovering the skills and the knowledge, like CRISPR editing manipulation of DNA techniques, which have been rediscovered in our time. Let's hope that the moral considerations and implications for humanity play an important fact and consideration into where we go from here.